It's a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Adventure is still a part of your life. It just has a little different meaning now, and this Grand Caravan is the perfect tool for it. It comes with great features you love: remote engine start, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, auto dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, manual tilting steering column, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and power heated mirrors. New car test drive highlights: the second row bucket seats are stationary, but the back folds forward and the seat tips up to allow access to the third row, all with the pull of a lever. Open the bins and you can then push the seats into them. This system, now called Super STOW-N-GO, works superbly well. For a fairly simple invention, it's a masterpiece. Power, performance, passion, Dodge. Hurry in today for a test drive.
Honesty, integrity, and a hometown feel. Stop into Classic Chevrolet today. We're conveniently located at 6190 West Blue Road in Lake City, Michigan.